All right, everybody. So here it is, the Clareen Oyster with the pre-war archtop tone ring, no holes in it, by the way. Just outstanding, unbelievable, beautiful craftsmanship from Finton and Tom Cussin. Amazing. I'm just gonna play a quick couple tunes just so people can hear what it sounds like. Everything is as it came, except for I took my Scorpion bridge and put it on because I love my Scorpion bridge. But anyways, let's take a listen. Well, I think that's enough to know what it sounds like, but I'm getting used to it. This neck is brand new. I'm the only person that's owned this. My special over there, it's from 2008, 2009, I think, is what I was told by Finton Cussin when I emailed him about it. But this needs to be broken in, but all I can say is expectations exceeded on just on quality. And forgive my playing, as this is a new instrument. Musicians, you know, instruments take a while to get used to, but if you're thinking about it, I would do it. Truly a sheen. Cheers.